In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new chat and send a message in the DeepSeek app. By the end, you'll be comfortable opening the app, starting a fresh conversation, and sending your first message with confidence. Begin by opening the DeepSeek app on your device. Give it a moment to load so you're on the main screen. From here, look to the top left corner for the icon with two horizontal lines. This is the menu button. Tap it to open the sidebar. In that menu, find and tap New Chat. This takes you to a clean conversation screen where you can begin typing right away. If you were already on a chats page, tapping New Chat simply prepares a fresh conversation, so you're not replying in an old thread by mistake. There's also a quick alternative. If you prefer shortcuts, look to the top right corner of the app for a plus icon inside a circle. Tapping that icon also starts a brand new chat. Use whichever method feels more natural to you. Both get you to the same place. Once your new chat is open, tap the message box at the bottom of the screen. This is the text field where your message goes. Tapping it brings up your keyboard and places the cursor in the field so you can start typing. Now type your message in the text field. You can ask a question, share a prompt, or explain exactly what you need. For best results, be clear and specific. If you have a particular goal, mention it. If your question has context, add a brief note so the response is tailored to you. There's no perfect length. Short and direct works, and longer messages with details are fine too. When you're ready to send, look for the send button, shown as an upward arrow. It usually sits to the right of the message box. Tap the up arrow to send your message. You'll see your text appear in the conversation, and then you'll receive a response right below it. If you don't see it immediately, give it a second. A stable internet connection helps. That's all there is to it. Open the DeepSeek app, use the menu or the plus icon to start a new chat, tap the message box, type your message, and tap the send arrow. With these simple actions, you can quickly begin any conversation you need. Feel free to repeat the process whenever you want to start fresh, and remember that clear prompts lead to clearer responses. Thanks for following along, and happy chatting.